What's up, XRP fam? What's up, crypto family? It's the bag man back in the building. How's everybody doing out there? I hope y'all are doing well, holding strong, stuffing those bags, as well as continuing to stay bullish out there. XRP up to 60 cents. Bitcoin almost up to 23,000. I got some crypto news to go over here. Quick video, so let's go ahead and dive in.
It's different, but it's very pretty out here. I believe they're setting up the flag now.
So here we have Coinbase. We have confidentially submitted our draft registration form S1 with the Securities and Exchange Commissions. It looks like Coinbase is going to IPO. IPOs are uncommon in the blockchain industry, but not entirely unheard of, especially among mining companies. Coinbase filed the S1 with Securities and Exchange Commission, which suggests the firm is preparing to sell a publicly traded stock via an IPO. And here we have from Bank XRP. Let's go ahead and check out this video here.
Leslie.
Hey, Kelly, this IPO has been in the works for a while, at least rumored to be so. But you're right, Coinbase announcing today that it has confidentially submitted a draft registration statement for an S1 with the SEC to go public. That process usually takes several months of questioning between the SEC and the company before it can actually disclose its prospectus, give us some insight into what its financials are, more about its business model, and so forth. But to your point, Bitcoin hitting record highs, this is a digital currency exchange. It makes sense that they'd at least be moving on that path toward an IPO to capitalize around some of the trends that we're seeing, especially as it relates to some institutional investors validating Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as something that's here to stay, not really going anywhere. As for valuation, unclear at this time. I'm still making calls on that front as for what we can expect from a valuation standpoint. But most recently, the company in a private funding round in October of 2018, so about 2 years ago, was valued at $8 billion. So I think it's safe to say if they're looking for a valuation higher than that, that we could expect this IPO to come in around $1 billion or even greater than that. So more to come on this front, but Coinbase, just the latest company to file confidentially for an IPO as this IPO parade marches on into 2021, guys.
So now that Coinbase has filed for an IPO, bringing more eyeballs to cryptocurrency, could Ripple be the next to go for an IPO? And Brad Garlinghouse says the first, but not certainly the last. Big congrats to the Coinbase team on the milestone in their growth. And we have heard Brad Garlinghouse commenting on a possible IPO. Maybe that's to come in 2021. With regulations possibly right around the corner, we have a lot of big name players scooping up cryptocurrency companies. Let's go ahead and take a listen here.
Should we be expecting some new regulations by the end of the Trump term?
I think you're going to see a lot of good news for crypto by the end of the Trump term. Some of it's going to have to do with banks connecting to blockchain. Some of it's going to be more clarity around the nature of these assets. So believe me, there's going to be very positive messages coming out. At the same time, it's a dangerous world out there. We have to be honest about that. But nobody's going to ban Bitcoin. Nobody's going to ban some of these transmission technologies. I think it's going to be a lot less bad than people were worried about.
Banks connecting to blockchain, we have regulations possibly around the corner, and we have American Express is taking a stake in the white hot cryptocurrency industry, investing in an institutional trading platform, Falcon X. Falcon X announced Wednesday that American Express Ventures made the investment as an extension of a fundraise earlier this year, but did not disclose the amount. And here goes the exchange right here. The most technologically advanced digital asset trading platform in the world. Access deep liquidity through single account using our platform, API and full service trade desk. Falcon X uses data science to deliver the cryptocurrencies industry best point in time execution, a complete end-to-end institutional trading solution with 24/7 support and secure flexible settlement. So American Express taking a stake in that company there. I found this interesting article here. Nebis is a company that wants to rent your crypto. Nebis wants to borrow your crypto for cash payments. To an extent, the idea of crypto renting isn't all that new. There are many cryptocurrency exchanges and trading platforms that allow users to lend their crypto to a pool or a stash that is used as collateral for a loan that someone has taken out. While Nebis offers a similar pathway for its customers, the process is a bit different. This time, customers don't lend their stashes out to individual customers themselves. Rather, they lend them out to the company, which is free to do whatever it pleases with the funds. In return, the company offers a monthly rent payment, like what you'd pay for a storage unit, to the person so they can utilize the funds in question. Thus, users can garner a passive income of sorts on their digital currencies. So this company is offering a way for you to rent out your cryptocurrencies in return for cash payments. Looks like they have two different programs here, one earning 6% interest on the year and another one earning about 9% on the year. Crypto renting is yet another step in our mission to bridge crypto and cash. We launched this product to give people who own cryptocurrencies a service that allows them to profit from crypto in a different way. With so many people investing large sums of money in crypto, it seems to make sense for people to be able to use that investment to gain profit without having to sell their investments. PayPal now offering cryptocurrencies. Now you can discover crypto in the PayPal app, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and you can start buying cryptocurrencies with no transaction fee until 2021. We also have PayPal takes another step into crypto, invest in Paxos. PayPal joined a Series C investment round, helping major regulated blockchain infrastructure platform Paxos increase its total funding to USD $240 million. Paxos claims that going forward, they will continue investing in developing enterprise-grade infrastructure solutions or use the fresh capital to accelerate growth, including scaling its operations and platform capacity. Also, the company plans to double the size of its team and will explore all opportunities for growth. Here goes Paxos right here. Paxos is a regulated financial institution building infrastructure to enable movement between physical and digital assets. We have a lot of big name companies starting to dive into the cryptocurrency space, with regulations possibly right around the corner. We have a Coinbase IPO, we have American Express going into a cryptocurrency company, as well as PayPal offering cryptocurrencies on their platform, as well as taking a stake into another cryptocurrency company, Paxos. But other than that, that pretty much wraps up this video today. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. XRP up about 45-46% in the past couple days, jumping up from about 44 cents, going all the way up to about 64 cents, and currently sitting around 59 cents. We'll continue to keep our eye out on XRP. XRP looking good right now. Bitcoin as well. Bitcoin smashing through those all-time highs, currently sitting about 22,878, going all the way as high as 23,612. So a lot of green in the market today. I hope y'all continue to stay bullish out there. Continue to stuff those bags. I am not a financial advisor, but y'all know what I'm stuffing my bags with, and it's the best, the fastest, the most secure, the most parabolic. Send money anywhere in the world instantly. I'll catch you all in the next one. Continue to hold those good vibes. Peace out, crypto fam.
I stay bullish, I don't hear all the noise. I stayed calm and always stayed real poised. We way gone, always stayed on the horse. We way strong, always stayed with the force. You fell off, please get back on the horse. We blast off and we passing the torch. You missed out and you sat on the porch. Floorboard, full court, full course.